Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find your account number on PayPal. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, this is my business account which is not fully set up. So if you have a personal account, there will be option to see your deposit info. You have to simply go for it and there will be your account number and your routing number. But if you have a business account like me, you have to simply go to your account setting. On the top right corner, once you are here, you have to go for this money, banks and cards. And if you have connected your bank account there, then there will be an option to see your deposit info and you are good to go. So I hope this video will help you out, and this is the way how you can find your account number on PayPal. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.